Let's be honest. Most traders think they have a strategy, but what you really have is a gambling addiction. You see a price move, you get insane FOMO, you jump in, and then you get completely wiped out, wondering what just happened. That's not a strategy, you're just guessing. And it's why 99% of trading accounts slowly bleed to zero. This isn't trading, it's just hoping. This video is going to change everything for you. I'm going to give you a step-by-step blueprint to build a rule-based, repeatable entry model. By the end of this, you will never guess again. You'll have a mechanical system to finally trade with insane precision, confidence, and a real edge. You'll finally have a real plan. Here's the crazy truth. You're losing money not because you're unlucky, but because you have zero plan. You see a stock ripping higher, and you buy it, with literally no reason for why it's a good entry. You're just making it up as you go along. This is guaranteed to fail for one simple reason. It has no statistical edge. A trading model is only as good as its rules. If you don't have rules for the setup, the entry, and the stop loss, you're just lighting money on fire. You can't test it, you can't make it better, and you definitely can't trust it with real money. Most traders make decisions based on panic. They see a tiny move against them, fear instantly takes over, and they bails on a great trade. Or even worse, they add more money to a losing position, praying it will turn around, which is the fastest way to blow up your entire account. This cycle of emotional trading is why you're trapped. The goal isn't to find a magic indicator that never loses. That doesn't exist. The goal is to build a system you can execute like a robot, a system that removes your emotions completely. So how do we fix this? The answer is a repeatable mechanical entry model. This is the line in the sand between the 1% of traders and everybody else. A professional doesn't hope, they execute, they have a checklist, and they follow it every single time, no matter what. A rule-based system has strict rules, and you are not allowed to break them. A complete entry model isn't just one signal. It's a full framework that tells you what to do, always. A truly repeatable model has 5 core parts you have to define before you risk a single dollar. First, bias. This is the big picture. Is the market trending up, down, or going nowhere? You need to know what game you're playing before you even think about placing a trade. Second, location. This is your specific zone. Where on the chart are you actually allowed to trade? A pro doesn't just buy the dip. They buy a dip at a specific, pre-planned area of value. Third, the trigger. This is the event that screams, enter now. It's not a feeling, it's a concrete signal, like a specific candle pattern. Fourth, invalidation. This is your I'm wrong point. Where does your stop loss go? This isn't a random number, it's a level on the chart that proves your idea was wrong. If you don't have this, you don't have a model. And finally, management. Once you're in the trade, what are the rules? Do you take some profit at a target? Do you move your stop loss? This has to be planned before you enter. Missing even one of these turns your strategy into a pure gamble. But when you have all 5, you have a blueprint for printing. All right, let's build one of these from scratch. I'm going to walk you through a simple but insane model you can use as a template, the VWAP pullback continuation. This setup works like crazy in things like stocks or futures. Step 1, define your bias, the market context. First, we need to know which way the trend is going. We're not trying to predict the future, we're just jumping on a moving train. A simple rule is, the price must be trading above the session's volume-weighted average price, VWAP. The VWAP is a magic line that shows where the big money is trading. If we're above it, buyers are in control. To make it even stronger, we can say a fast-moving average, like the 9 EMA, must be above a slower one, like the 21 EMA. So the rule is simple. If price is greater than VWAP and 9 EMA is greater than 21 EMA, our bias is bullish. We only look for buys. Step 2, define your location, the setup zone. We have our bullish bias. We do not just buy anywhere. We make the price come to us, to our special zone. For this model, our location is a pullback to the VWAP. After the price goes up, we wait for it to pull back and test the VWAP. We're patiently waiting for the market to give us a discount. We never chase, we wait for the pullback. Step 3, define your trigger, the entry signal. Price is in our zone. Now what? We need a specific trigger to get us in. We need to see that buyers are stepping in at the VWAP. A great trigger is to wait for a candle to close back above the VWAP after it touched it. An even crazier signal is a bullish engulfing candle right at the VWAP, where a big green candle just eats the last red candle. The moment that confirmation candle closes, that's our entry. Smash the button. No hesitation. Step 4, define your invalidation, risk control. Before you enter, you must know where you're wrong. For this model, the invalidation is super clean. Your stop loss goes just below the low of the pullback that tested the VWAP. If the price breaks that low, the setup is dead, our idea was wrong, and we take the tiny planned loss and move on. This is huge. Your stop loss is based on the chart, not your feelings. This step alone will save you from catastrophic, account-destroying losses. So, to recap this beast of a model, bias. Price is above VWAP and the 9 EMA is above the 21 EMA. Location, price pulls back to the VWAP area. Trigger, a candle closes back above the VWAP. Invalidation, stop loss is placed just below the low of the pullback. This is a complete mechanical model. Another person could take these exact rules, look at the same chart, and find the exact same entries. That is a repeatable system. If you're still with me and are serious about building your own model, prove it. Comment, "I'm a builder" down below. I want to see who the disciplined traders are. Application and testing your model. Having rules is one thing. Actually using them is another. The next phase is to test your model. Do not risk real money on a system you haven't proven. Here's your action plan. I challenge you to do this. Write it down. Create a one-page trading plan. Name your setup, like VWAP bull continuation, and write down every single rule for bias, location, trigger, and invalidation. Be super specific. Backtest with historical data. Go back in time on your charts and find every single time this happened for the last 100 trades. Mark every entry, stop, and target. Be ruthless. Find out the win rate. This builds insane confidence because you're replacing hope with cold, hard data. 3. Paper trade in a live environment. After backtesting, you need to test this in a demo account for weeks. The goal isn't to make fake money, it's to prove you can follow your rules without freaking out when the market is moving for real. Go live with small size. Once you've proven you can follow the rules and the model actually works, you can go live. Start with a tiny position size, like 25% of what you'd normally trade. The goal is to get used to it with real money on the line while keeping the stakes low. And a huge warning, don't make your model super complicated, and please, do not change your rules after a couple of losses. 2 trades is meaningless. You need at least 30-50 trades to see if your system really works. Trading without a repeatable model is like trying to navigate an ocean without a compass. You will end up lost and you will sink. The framework we covered today, bias, location, trigger, invalidation, and management, is your lifeline. It provides structure in a world of chaos and turns gambling into a business. Your job now is to take this blueprint and make it yours. Define your rules, test them like a maniac, and build the discipline to follow them like a robot. That is the true secret to winning in these markets long term. Thank you for your time. Now go build your system, trust your system, and trade with confidence. Trade with a plan, not a prediction. Trade smart.